Welcome to the VHF UHF channel, and today's tip number, this is the daily tip number 6 for Thursday, February 7th, 2019. So we listen to, maybe you scan a lot and listen to what's online on the air with your VHF UHF receiver, your scanner. But one of the features that every scanner has, some more generous than others, memories. And you know what? In these little devices, the use of memories is very important. Why? There are thousands and thousands of signals out there. And one of the things that is, of course, difficult to keep track is all the frequencies for the different services. A lot of services have multiple frequencies, groups of frequencies, and so on. And, it's hard to keep track of all of that. You can't just, say, oh, I'll remember that I heard that on 451.250. Yeah, a month later you're going to say, what was the frequency I was listening to for that thing? So fill up the memory channels of these scanners with all of your frequencies that you actually log. Better yet, create groups of frequencies. So a lot of these have banks. That means they're actually you could have like a bank of 10 or 20 or 50 channels or 100 channels, and it depends on how many channels your scanner has. Create banks of the same type of service. For example, what I used to do is create a bank for emergency services. The police, fire department, ambulance were all in there. Another one was public works, everything that has to do with public works. Another one was, commercial or companies or, anything that has to do with businesses that are online or on the air and that actually have traffic on the VHF UHF ranges. So you could create groups, which is even better because now you can scan by groups. But whatever you do and however you do it, make sure that you actually use the memory channels in your scanners, because you'll see they'll help you a lot remember and listen in to stuff that you might not have listened for a while, that you might don't remember what frequencies they're on. And where you're scanning, one of the things that's very, very important is that you'll find new frequencies all the time, and you want to remember them, you want to log them, and the memory channels in these scanners are cool for that. You can all put that in there, and it's easy to go back to them when needed. If you enjoy my tips, well, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and hope you enjoy our daily tips on the VHF UHF channel. Bye-bye.